Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bijeta here. Today I'll be showing you all a very basic day-to-day makeup demo. But before that, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So here is my sponge blender. Now I'm going to sprinkle water spray on my face. For prepping my skin, I am going to be using Nivea Soft Light Moisture. So, I'm gonna show you how to apply this concealer. I'm just gonna take my concealer and I'm going to draw a triangle like this. Then, we will hide all the acne marks. So you could either use a brush or use a fingertips. I'm gonna use this brush. Once I have that done, I'm just gonna take my beauty blender. This will actually set your concealer. So now, for the foundation, I'm going to mix these two foundations named Liquid Matte Finish Foundation W7 Fizz Fantasy and Super Natural Liquid Foundation Clean Color. I'm going to mix two shades on this mixing plate. I'm dotting this foundation all over my face using my finger. Then I'm going to buff that out using a brush. Also make sure to apply foundation onto your neck and ear so that your face looks matched. I'm going to take a little bit of foundation on my face. I'm just bunching this gently on my skin. I'm not pressing it too hard. But as you can see, it doesn't look too heavy, doesn't look all kicked up. It looks quite natural, really clean and just gives a flawless look to the skin. So, contouring makes a huge difference. It really defines your face and it gives such a beautiful structure to your nose, your forehead and your cheekbone area. Today, I'll be going to do a cream contour. I'll be using this contour brush and just applying this really dark shade onto the bridge of my nose and creating these two lines. It's a basic way doing contouring. I like using my fingers for blending. Now, I'm applying some powder onto my cream contour to set this contouring. I'm just using this powder on top of the areas that I'm applying cream contour. Eyebrow powders have a very different textures than eyebrows. This eyebrow powder has its perfect formula to do my eyeshadows and I use this every single day. This eyebrow pencil and eyebrow powder are like my perfect combination to do my brows. So, I'm gonna use this dry mascara. The color of this dry mascara is a nice brown shade and it's not very warm. It doesn't deposit a lot of product. It's not that messy to use, to be honest. It's very long lasting. So now I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows first in a direction that are growing. So the front hair will be straight and the other hair will be combed in the direction that are growing. So now I'm gonna show you how to use matte eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use this color right here, Tiger Lily. You can use a base that has the same color as your eyeshadow. I think blue eyeshadow complements brown eyes so well. So now I'm carefully applying Eyelash PAC M83 on top of my lashes. I'm going to be using Strobe Time blusher. I'm gonna use this MAC bronzing powder. Then Smarty Pants Way Fresh MAC. So here is the appreciation is lip Liner-SOFT Spocken lipstick Matte Kinder Sexy MAC. So now I'm gonna use this lip gloss next. Am I looking good? So here I am sharing some pictures of mine after using this makeup. Hope you all like my makeup tips. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.